Hey, welcome one and all. We're doing a 360 day out, about visiting different places and all. We're at Steinmont, getting out, ready to do some other shopping like maybe Dickies, Macy's, I don't know, we'll see. And there's some interesting stuff. I find it very funny how $20 items are there. I'm here at the Sawgrass Shopping Mall at number 3 section, Bed Bath & Beyond. And we're going to be heading to Best Buy to update their camera. So off we go in a few. See you there shortly. At the other end of the shopping mall, I'm at the Target. Bus loads come down, all that good stuff. You never know. I'm still trying to get over there to Best Buy. So let's get moving. Returns. That's a big chicken. Look at the size of that chicken. I'm sitting here. And my internet service is hanging. It's on LTE. One of our first stops. Oh yeah. Moving along to another stop indeed. Well, we're here. We gotta go to a couple other places. This is a movie theater. Let me bring you guys up a little higher so you can see out. That's it. Take a little look around. That's a movie theater. Pick up some show tickets. And off we go to the next one.